In this video, you are going to learn how to add a custom thumbnail to a YouTube video. I'm Andy, you're watching Learn How. I create video lessons, tutorials, guides, reviews to help people learn how to use technology to improve their lifestyle. So if you like what you see in this video, please consider subscribing. Adding a cool, poppy, custom thumbnail to YouTube is super simple. Let me show you right now how to do that in Creator Studio. Okay, so right here within Creator Studio, while your video is uploading, you can just scroll down here to the bottom and click this custom thumbnail button and then find the file on your computer that you want to use as your thumbnail. You can create your custom thumbnail in Canva or Photoshop or whatever video or photo editor software you want to use. Just make sure that it's less than 2 megabytes, otherwise you're not going to be able to upload it. So you'll just search your computer for wherever that file is and then add it right here within the upload screen while the video is uploading. Another way that you can do this is, let's say I already have a video that's uploaded and I want to go in and change the thumbnail. So right here within this screen, you'll see different screenshots of the video, and then down here on this one, you'll see the custom image. So I could click change image, download image, and add an image from my computer as the custom thumbnail. I totally recommend doing thumbnails that are poppy, that have bright colors, that are easy to see, that catch people's attention. These types of thumbnails work so much better for YouTube and will help you get a lot more views to your YouTube channel. Something else that will help you explode your YouTube channel growth is TubeBuddy. I've got a link right below this video that you can get free TubeBuddy, or you can get there's really basic plans that have a lot of really cool extra features, features that I've used to grow my YouTube channel tremendously over the past few months. So go check out TubeBuddy, guys. I definitely recommend it. If you're on YouTube, it's a no-brainer, especially at least the free version. All right, guys, that's it for this video. Make sure you go check out some other YouTube videos on our channel. I've got videos about YouTube and about how to improve your lifestyle with technology. If you want to learn how to make money, if you want to learn how to, start a business, I've got free guides all over my websites. So make sure you check out some of those. I've got links all over the place for those. And subscribe to our channel, because I got a lot of cool videos for you guys to check out that'll help you learn a lot of awesome things to help you in your journey. All right, guys, we'll see you in the next video.